Hi guys! Today we're making Kinder Bueno Fudge. It's very, very sweet and full of white chocolate. Now, I'm not a big white chocolate fan, but I absolutely love this. So I hope you will too.
400 grams of white chocolate, 60 grams of butter, 1 can of condensed milk, 150 grams of icing sugar, 4 Kinder Bueno bars.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is melt the butter and the white chocolate together over boiling water. Okay? So in my bowl here, white chocolate. I'm going to add my butter and put this on to a high heat until it starts to boil, and then turn it down. Okay, so as you can see, it's down at almost the lowest heat for the last little bit, and the chocolate mixed with the butter has become really quite thick. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to add in my condensed milk. Okay, so the next thing I do is add in my icing sugar. Probably should have used a bigger bowl, but we'll give it a go. So as you can see, it's a much thicker consistency now. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in the Kinder Buenos. So I took my Kinder Buenos out of the packet and I'm going to leave them 4 and 4. I'm going to leave 4 for the top of the fudge, and I'm going to chop up 4 now. Now mix that in. Don't worry if you break up some of the Kinder, that's fine. It should start to change colour a little bit. You should see a little bit of brown chocolate going through the white now. Okay, so this is my Kinder Bueno Fudge. I'm going to pop it into a dish that I lined earlier, and then we'll add the rest of the Kinder Buenos on top. So this is the fudge. It's ready to go into the fridge. Leave it in for a couple of hours. Probably best to leave it in overnight, but we'll see how long it takes until we can taste it. So it's been about 3 hours. Clearly I couldn't remember how long it took in the fridge, but it's ready to eat. So I'm going to take it out, chop it up into pieces, and we'll have a taste. So now I'm going to taste one. Tell you what guys what it's like. So if you look at it here, it's quite a soft texture. It's not hard like a biscuit cake, but it's nice and soft and fudgy. They are so good. They're very sweet, so you might not be able to eat lots, but I have a sweet tooth, so I'm able to eat lots of them, but they're really, really good. So give them a go and enjoy.